And I'm Haley. We have all of this great space. We don't know what to do. Help us, Patty.
Oh my God!
Yes. Even if you're renting, home is home.
Oh,
I'm Patty Wagner, and I've got one day to do a total refresh on one room.
Oh my God.
Using easy, renter-friendly ideas.
wow. Are you kidding me?
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Good job.
Hi, Patty. I'm Brett. And I'm Haley. We currently rent a duplex in Minneapolis, which we love. The only problem is the backyard. We have all of this great space. We plopped a couch down. We don't know what to do. Please help us. Help us, Patty.
Brittany and Haley are two adorable friends living in a trendy neighborhood in the city. It's so cute. They've got the window box. Such a cute house.
Hi, welcome.
Hi! Oh my gosh, and who's this?
This is Gracie.
Hi, Gracie. Well, do you want to show me your backyard?
Yes, it needs your help.
Okay.
Let's go. This is the backyard.
This is a very nice sized backyard.
We got the fire pit from a neighbor. The benches my grandpa made way back in the day.
Oh.
The couch is secondhand. Yep.
It looks pretty good for all secondhand and hand-me-down stuff. But I do see that it needs a little sprucing up.
Yes.
It's got the string lights, but it's like awkwardly placed over there.
The tree was a major factor in that.
Tell me, how do you want to use this space?
We love having bonfires, wine nights, anything outside.
Britt loves pink and girly. I'm more like darks, neutrals, black.
That's so awesome, though, that you guys are good friends, but you have different styles and you try to make it work.
Yes.
I think we can totally bring what you have inside to your outdoor space.
Oh, we love that. We're so excited.
It's gonna be a lot of work, yes, but at the end, it's gonna look amazing.
Awesome.
Yay, thank you. This is a great rental, but the lawn is pretty sad. So I'm gonna take up the grass and put down stone and gravel instead. I'll refresh some of their furniture and create cool planters with posts to hang their string lights over the patio. I want to start by giving some of their old pots a pretty DIY makeover. What you'll need is some paint, and then we will add baking powder, just like about a teaspoon. So what the baking powder does is just provide a nice texture, so it looks like it's handmade.
It feels like frosting.
Yeah, I know.
Sizzling.
You have all of this like hodgepodge planters and pots. They don't go together, but then when you give them this like beautiful color palette with the terracotta, the peach and the white, they just like look so beautiful when you display them. How are you guys doing?
Good, I think I'm done too.
Yeah,
You got a big one.
Yeah, you had the big one. I'm gonna finish painting the rest of your pots and planters, and I'm gonna let you take off.
Okay.
And when you get back, you'll have a nice magical scene in your backyard.
We're so excited.
So I'm just gonna mark off the line so we know the boundary. This is going to be the future space for wine nights and bonfires. We're so lucky that we got the permission from the landlord to do this. Actually, he was really excited because this is gonna add value to his property. We just took up all of the sod and I'm raking it so that way it's nice and flat. And what we're gonna do next is put down the weed barrier. This will prevent grass from growing back and up into the rocks. We're using concrete pavers. They look like natural stone, but they cost much less. And I also like that these pavers are nice and flat, so that way you can We're gonna put down the edging, and then we'll fill in with the pea gravel. We're raking it to even it out and to make it nice and flat. We want the gravel to fill in all of the spaces between the stepping stones. This is where it starts to look like a patio space. I am loving how this is turning out. This whiskey barrel is the base of a planter that will hold flowers and a pole for hanging lights. When you live in a rental, you can't necessarily bury a pole into the ground, so this is a great solution for that. We're using quick set concrete. We're gonna mix it up and then pour it into the barrel to weigh down the pole. Now it's time to pour in the potting soil. Just got done putting the plants in this barrel and it's so cute. I love it so much. Britt and Haley have these existing planters. I am going to add some legs and make them look fabulous. These are the pots and planters that I did with Haley and Britt, and I love that it just really goes with the color palette that I was trying to give their space. Right at the edge there. I hope they'd invite me over for wine night because I would totally chill here. Follow me.
Oh my gosh, the.
Oh my God.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh my gosh! I just love it! Oh my gosh, I got it! It's so perfect!
Yeah.
What?
So we took out the scraggly, dead grass. So it's gone.
Thank goodness.
I gave you a little path. I moved the string lights from there to here, so it's actually over your seating
So
area.
perfect.
Because we don't have a tree like we did over there. You have this post. It's weighted down with concrete, and then we did these pretty plantings to kind of tie it all in.
These are our
furniture.
planters. What?
This is all of your furniture that was here before.
cool.
Can you believe it?
No.
Yeah,
I can't.
it's the same exact secondhand, hand-me-down furniture, and we just gave it some new life. So Haley, I call that the Haley. Yes. Beautiful black and white pillow with the fringe.
Perfect.
And Britt, that coral
Yep,
one,
I know.
that's the Britt pillow.
So
These
fun.
are the window boxes that you had sitting up against your apartment. So it gives you a divider between you and the neighbors.
Our friends are gonna be so
perfect.
excited too. We can't wait to have them over.
Gracie,
What do you think?
you like it? Oh.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks, Patty. I don't picture us leaving ever.
We might just live outside now.
Thanks, Patty.
We love it back here. Cheers.
Cheers.